Aji samla pola khuborti Dimapur area au Baptist Agro Pastor Fellowship Khan NLTP Act 1989 opor ko thaka sabti Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1989 Dimapur eklan hugina any part of Nagaland state ti relax kushe koili fabric of our society pura puri phangai jabo koina statement kuri dia ase itu karni Pastor Fellowship of Dimapur area khantu Nagaland Chief Minister Niprio opor letter address kurgena government agency armed with vigor of law khantu dangor effort digina situation control kurlo bole urge kura ase aro degeneration bra progressive generation maintain kurlo bol nimite kodia ase aro state government khantu corrective measures of loophole uthagina ek reinforce kurbole kodia ase kili enforcement of ek relaxing kulabra ekta dur khulya nishna hojagina Nagaland sobti rasta khulgena ula jabole kodia ase itu karni no amount of consideration monetary revenue business purpose employment karni holipi mudulaga kahani against kurbole kodia ase aro Naga future generation safeguard kurbo karni Naga civil society under the banner of Nagaland Baptist Church Council NBCC khan Nagaland legislators khan ki law ine kurgena state future mudu choli thakya rukhabole approach kuri dishe ko ase bishi deribra lina shope harai jala khobor hungena afsos shok hogena kotte thakya ase janibole mon thakya opoti aji latest development story pa thakya asapti lina shope Axis Bank employee to Sikkim police khan identity jani pagina gentok bra thori dishe ko ase aro enjo maki ekjon ki henover kuri dishe ko gena official update dia ase sources asapti lina chopitu Nagaland police khan ke henover kuri dibo ko ase ulipi aji Nagaland police khan bus logina Sikkim ja thaka update pa ase aro lina chopilaga update opor alag details rukhiloi ase Modi lead BJP party khan karni setback ekta ani thaka tu Haryana ti 60 opor bosti khan gadam uthalogina BJP leaders kun kepi bosti area ti ahibole mana kuri disha aro even BJP workers khan campaign kurubole khan sob ban kuri dishe ko ase khoborte sunipat Sirsa Hisar Rohtak rural area sobti officially BJP khan ke boycott kurubole ko ase kli reaction toli farmer protest MSP law women wrestler Agniverse aro inflation nimite ase kogena statement kuri dia ase aro ita dangor biswas toli Rahul Gandhi opor Congress party khan ke biswas rakha ase kogena khobor dia ase aro Prime Minister Modi bra Congress khan ke attack kuri poll manifesto tuli Muslim League imprint ase koi thakya opoti opposition party khan against kuri ase aro mishamshi statement logena koi thakya tu tai nijor lagachar safe kurubon mita ase hulipi election picheti lamba chuti rakhilobo kogena Congress khan japap kuri dia ase Bangladesh government aro Khukichin National Front KNF khan macheti ajikali development story ulagena ja thakya homoiti RAB Rapid Action Battalion khanbra KNF members tinjon Tanchibra aji arrest kulo shekogena Bandarban additional superintendent of police report dia ase khoborte RAB khan ajikali operation kanda kugena ja thakya tu extremist Khukichin National Front KNF khanbra attack aro bank robbery kurida issue miti operation ja ase aro army chief SM Safiuddin Ahmad laga statement ti rapid action battalion RAB khan ja kalipi KNF chief coordinator arrest kulo shekogena khobor kuri dia ase West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee Sunday relay addressing ti agency of ED CBI NIA aro IT department khanbra arms of BJP kurgena kam kuri thaka ko ase aro TMC leaders khan ki BJP join na kurle action face kurbo koi thaka oporti awas uthai dia ase Banerjee laga addressing ti judi NIA ED khanbra without information ratigor red kuri ahigena sob manu gumai thaka tamte ahishe koili maki ama khan tu ki hobo kogena hutia ase aro Sunday din NIA khanbra blast case karni accused dujon arrest kurubole aha tamti mob attack face kurgena wapas kuri dia refer kuri dia ase